Hello, this is Greg Michael. In today's lesson, I'll be teaching you my trick to do chord changes quicker and smoother. And this lesson is for completely beginners. So stay tuned and I will see you after this short demonstration. So yes, it did sound in time, it did sound smooth and in time, but I've been playing guitar for 20 plus years, so it's obvious that it's not going to sound too bad. But if you are complete beginners, you obviously need to learn your chords first, and then you need to learn to change them fast, so that you can play songs in time and sing along, hopefully. So if you are still not familiar with chords, check my other video that I will link with this video. So just click on the link and then you go to that other video that I recorded. It's how to grab your chords and how to play them, quickly. I mean, how to grab your chords in more efficient way, so that you'll be able to have more time for your chord changes. So once you check that video, you can continue with this. So here we are. Listen, by the way, before we kick off, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel and hit the bell button if you want to be notified about the future uploads. And if you have some suggestions for future lessons, maybe you struggle with certain things, I'll be happy to help you. So just write the comment under the video and I'll try to help you by making the video for you and for other people who might be in your situation. I played the chorus from the song called Take It Easy by the Eagles. This is actually the second chorus. And you have the chords E minor going to D major, then C major to G, and each chord is played for one bar. So the strumming pattern goes like that: down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So what you probably didn't notice is that on every single offbeat of beat 4, I actually take off my fingers off the fretboard and go earlier to the next chord. And because I do it consistently on each chord, it doesn't sound wrong. So check this out. Down, down, up, down, off, meaning, off the fretboard to the next chord. So check this out. Down, down, up, down, off, down, down, up, down, off, down, down, up, down, off, down, down, up, down, off. And when I say off, I already play those 1, 2, 3, 4 open strings, and that will be probably some kind of G6 type of chord. So it's still in tune, it's still in the key, and it doesn't sound bad. So now go back to the beginning when I was playing originally that instrumental version of this chord progression, and see if you notice that. You kind of can't hear it, until it's pointed out to you. So this is really the trick. I'll do it very slowly. Down, down, up, down, off, down, down, up, down, off, down, down, up, down, off, down, down, up, down, off. And counting would be 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1. I'm gonna stop the chords. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and. So you see, this is what I do on everything that involves playing chords, for one measure. So then I take off my fingers off the fretboard and play that blank strum. So listen, if you enjoyed that little trick and it helped you to get better at guitar, post a comment under the video and let me know. And if you struggle with other things, as I said earlier, just let me know as well. And if you enjoyed this lesson, hit the like and consider subscribing. And I will see you next time. Take care and all the best. Cheers.